What's good, YouTube? What's happening? We live. Can y'all hear me? Let me know. What's up, Steve Harvard? What's up, Adrian Brown? What's up, Cassandra? What's up, Elliot Harris? Hey, if you can hear me, let me know. Cool. Hey, Kelsey, what's up? CompTIA's in the building. What's up, Elliot? Cool. What's up, Samuel? Jermaine, what's going on? Hey, if y'all could share this out on your social media, that'd be great. We're going to have about 30 minutes on this live stream. We're going to give away the ebook from everybody that entered this weekend, and we're going to give away a Raspberry Pi. You see that? That's a Raspberry Pi. Somebody's going to win tonight. If y'all ready, let me know in the chat. Let me know that you're ready. Say, I'm ready. Say, let's go. Something. Let me know that you're ready. This live stream is about to go down. I thank everybody for tuning in and all that good stuff on this Sunday. Today, I want to let you know that this video has been sponsored by the good folks at CompTIA. If you did not know, I am on a journey to achieve my Linux Plus certification, all sponsored by CompTIA, in hopes that I inspire you to learn Linux and also to improve my own skill set when it comes to being in network programmability and a network engineer. So today is going down. Look, hey, the chat is going down. So I thank everybody for commenting. I'm going to do some shout outs. What's up to my cousin Dale? What's up, Wilbur? What's up, Dominique Kelly? I'm going to share this out on my social medias. If you could do the same real quick, that'd be great. I'm going to give everybody a couple more minutes to get back on this live stream, and then we can get started. Cool. Share this out on everything I have. On my Twitter. Boom. Twitter. Let's go. What else we got? Yep. Cool. And boom. Cool. I thank everybody for tuning in. I'm going to do some shout outs. As you can see, I got about 26 days before I talk to CompTIA about where I'm at and if I'm ready to take this exam, which is August 23rd. So if you look at my exam, I went through section 1, section 2, went through some of section 3, and it's about 15 sections in here. I've been kind of skipping through it just to see where I'm at. I'm about 25% of the way through this Certmaster Learn for the Linux Plus XK0-004 exam. This is pretty good. I'll talk more about it, and I'll go through it tonight to kind of share, some of the content that's on it. But I'm going to do some shout-outs. Let me know in the chat where you're from. Shout out your area code in the chat, and I'm going to do some shout-outs to say what's up to everybody before we start our first giveaway. All right, so let me go from the top down. Shout out to CompTIA. What's up, Courtney? What's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Courtney over at CompTIA is in the building. You are now a moderator, Courtney. My boy Michael Hilton. What's up, man? Elliot Harris. Penguin taking over the world. Ricardo, what's good, family? Steve Harper. Ricardo, ready to go. Let's go. Let's go. Silver Hill, what's popping? David Wu, what's good? Amber, what's up? Wilbur. Dominique, Mark, what's up? Vancouver in the building. That's what's up. EJ, what's good, man? Paul Cole, what's up, family? Let me get down here. This Orly, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Lori Nettles, what's popping? All right, let me. Yo, I love seeing the area codes in the chat. 571 Dallas, Texas 407. Mississippi, what's good? 662-972-740. McAllen, Texas. Okay, in the building. South America, Guyana, what's popping? Colorado, by the way of Atlanta, 703-423. Hey, Chat Town in the building, 219-207. Canada, San Diego, Philippines. Arizona, 512-601. Houston, 951. In the building. What's up? B-More, 443. In the building. I see Texas is all over the map. That's what's up. All right. So today we're giving away a free ebook. If you've been watching my videos and all that good stuff on my YouTube channel, and you look at the description of this video, I'll share it out real quick. I'm going to pull it up for y'all so we can view this ebook that we're going to be giving away today, if you have not already seen it. I appreciate everybody that's tuning in. It's been what's up. All right, so today we'll be giving away this self-paced ebook that will help prepare you for your CompTIA Linux Plus XK0-004. Now, as you know, if you watched my live stream last week, you know I'm doing this through my Twitter. Well, I call it Twitter, but it's not Twitter. It's my YouTube bot. Now, if you want to know, for instance, let's see. Here's my bot. And if we, can I do this? All right, so in my YouTube bot, we had, let's see how many contestants we had. All right, so here's everybody that entered correctly this week for my YouTube contest script that I made through Python. I made a Twitter bot using Python, and this is kind of something I enjoy to do. I really enjoy scripting in Python. I script on my job. I've been scripting for, I don't know, about 8 months now, and I wrote a lot of scripts that have been in production, and that's one of the reasons I'm going for my Linux Plus certification. So if you see your name here, with no further ado, we're going to get started. We're going to run this script. Actually, if y'all ready, so top of the screen, top of the hour. So let's go Pi, and let's go tool. Let's make sure we can run it. Come on. If I can get it to run, let me make sure it's in here. Oh man, it's not, hold on. CD dot CLS. If I can type Python scripts, ER, CD, Twitter, CLS. All right, let's try this again. Python, ESC, and let's go to maybe that's not it. CD dot. Let's try this one more time. DR, CD, Twitter, CD, CLS. Technical difficulties. Is it tool? Let me look at my script. We will have some issues today, but it's all good. We got a minute. We're going to take a look at this script together. YouTube.ig, nope. YouTube.txt, YouTube. Let's make sure this says YouTube, def main, YouTube, relines. Alright, should work. Modules import random function from worker. Where's my worker? Where is my worker? Import modules, worker. Ah, I'm missing a folder. No wonder it's not working. Hold on. We might have some technical difficulties. I might have to rewrite my script. Give me one moment. I might have it backed up somewhere. Give me one moment. Modules. Okay, there go worker right there. All right, here's worker. Said line 59 on my code. Where is that at? For each. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see this? All right, y'all. So here's the problem with my script. I figured it out. So I was doing some code on my CLI, pinging a whole bunch of addresses, and I did a tickle script, and this was at the bottom of my code, and this is why my code didn't work. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna pull up my script, and we're gonna run this one more time. My bad for the technical difficulties, because I know y'all ready to see who won. So let's try this again. Power tool, boom. Here we go. Y'all didn't even see that, so. All right, here we go. Make sure it's on the screen. If y'all can see that, say let's go. If y'all ready, let's go. Like, man, come on, Dewan, let's go. If y'all let me know, let's go. Troubleshooting right on the spot. Ain't no fail. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get rocking. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Welcome to the CompTIA Linux Plus drawing. We have 51 entries. And here are the list of contestants. Everybody that entered. And the winner is Mark J.U. Mark J.U. What up, Mark? You are the winner of this week's contestants. You have won a Linux Plus ebook. If you have not already joined the Linux Plus Slack group, which is on Slack, the CompTIA Convo Slack group, we would love to see you there. Stop on in. Hit us up. Hit me in the DM in the CompTIA Slack channel Convos group. It'll be a link in the description where you can hit me up directly. Congratulations again to Mark J. Yule. And like I said before, here's everybody that entered correctly this week. We'll be doing this every week. So this Wednesday, you'll have another chance to win another prize. So I hope you enjoyed this little contest. But remember, we still doing the Raspberry Pi giveaway as well. So you still have a chance. Let me get to some of these. Let me get to the chat real quick. Cool. Let's get up here. Mark, you on? Where you at, Mark? Let me see where Mark at. Pittsburgh in the building. Raider. Amber said, Dewan, how long since you started preparing for Linux? I started preparing for Linux, what, 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago, and like I said, I'm like 24%. Let me see. Israel in the building. What's good? How much was that ebook? The ebook, if you decide to buy the ebook is $139. So that's $139 value that will be given away, hopefully, not only just on my live streams every week, but we'll also do giveaways in the Linux Plus huddle on the CompTIA Convo Slack channel. James Molly, what's good? Working on that CCNP. Okay. CompTIA, wow, checking out the script. We haven't heard from our winner last week. Ryan Newton. Ryan, where you at? Don Ward, definitely need that ebook. Jack, let's go. Let's go. And the winner is, how do you get entered? Yo, in order to enter in the contest, just to let you know, so every Wednesday on my YouTube channel, I'll post a video with my progress update, sharing tips on how I'm preparing for the Linux Plus and just sharing my struggles and all that good stuff. In that video, I'll let you know what to do, whether it be a hashtag, whether it be a comment or something of that video, and you comment exactly how I mentioned in the video, and that's how you get entered in the contest on Sunday for the live stream. So thanks to CompTIA for putting this together and making this happen. I'm really glad to be a part of this, and I hope you've been enjoying this so far. So, Orly said that's what's up. That's how to enter it correctly. For sure, Mark. Next time I'll do the walkthrough as well, like I did the first week. I'll do the walkthrough of the description on what to post, and I'll keep it as simple as possible, so won't nobody get disqualified. Jackson said, "Wow, we use the Linux stuff. Cool. Slam Jam, let's go. What time Wednesday? Anytime, family. Thanks, big guy. Hey, you welcome, Benjamin. All right, so my progress through the Certmaster Plus. I'm still giving away the Raspberry Pi, so stay tuned. But my progress through the Certmaster Plus, it's been pretty good. So, like I mentioned before, so the way this is broken down into basically each section covers a different topic that you need to know for the exam. And there's 15 different sections with a final assessment. Not bad. And so you go through here, and each one will have your study material, so it'll be reading, some video, combination, and then you'll have practice questions, about 10 practice questions that you'll have to go through, along with they call performance-based questions. So you'll have to actually do something in there to get this right. So like the syntax of Linux, you know, what is it? Command, option, argument. You know, just understanding how that flows and having to put it together and things like that in order to get it right. Then it lets you know your strengths and weaknesses. As you go through it, lets you know where you're at. And you see, as I kind of go through this, where I'm at and where I need to be. The goal is to be expert, if you can see that. My goal is to be expert on all of these before I test. So that's really going to require me to put in some work, like a whole lot of work. So but that's just what it is. Then you go through, you got your lessons. And as you go through each section, you can tell them how you feel about that section as you go through it. Like if you feel confident, you put high. If you don't feel confident, you put low. And so I've been kind of going through the parts that I feel highly confident on, so I don't have to go back through it. But the parts I don't feel as confident, I put low. And then that way, when I'm done, all I can really focus on is, all I have to focus on is the low topics, for preparation of the exam. And so, like I said, these are the performance-based questions here, practice questions here, assessments. You get one assessment through it. Then you have flashcards and a game center, which the game center isn't bad. So let me do some quick what's goods. What's up, Amari? Enrique. I says that's different Certmasters than I use, but mine was for Net Plus and Expired. Okay, cool. Can't wait till next Friday. Next Wednesday. Yeah, it's going down. Work it out like a champ. Facts. How do you enter the ebook giveaway? Yeah, so like I said, Wednesday I'll drop a video and you'll have a chance to do another giveaway. Not sure if we're going to do an ebook next week. We'll see. We'll talk about it and see what we'll give away. But next Sunday live stream, I'll be giving away another Raspberry Pi. Today is the Raspberry Pi 3B+. You know there's been a new release of the Raspberry Pi 4. And I want to get my hands on one. I went to Micro Center to pick up one, and they've been sold out. And the cool thing about the Raspberry Pi 4, I'm not sure if you all know about the Raspberry Pi, But so if you've been on Twitter and you follow my Twitter, you know I released a Twitter bot. I run it on the Raspberry Pi. I've ran it on the Raspberry Pi since I built it. And Raspberry Pi run Linux. So not only does that help me with my scripting and understanding and automation, but it also allows me to learn Linux at the same time. And so whoever gets this will be a great way to learn Linux. And there's a million different ways that you can implement a Raspberry Pi and use a Raspberry Pi. I was talking to a guy at Micro Center, and he actually built his Raspberry Pi to be a camera monitoring system for his house. And it has a sensor built in, so if somebody walks, it'll start recording, or if there's movement outside, it'll start recording. And then he also used, I believe it's called the Raspberry Pi Zero, which is, it's a $5 Raspberry Pi, but he actually used that to offload to his external storage. So he has a whole system built up just off the Raspberry Pi. Pretty cool. I'm excited to whoever gets one. We're going to do this in a minute. What's good? What's good? Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, so with this CompTIA Certmaster Learn for Linux, there's so many different games in here. I would say so many. There's about 5 different games. But as you go through this, you can pick what you want to go through, and you can pick your difficulty. So if I go through this, it's easy, medium, hard. So we can go through easy, or we can go through medium. Let's go through easy. And it looks like here, you got to kind of match these up. So the process of combining the standard IOs and string commands, a programming object language that is a collection of values. Process of combining standard IO. I don't know. Let's see. Piping is an object collection of values. Process of combining the standard IO strings and commands. Piping. And so you just kind of match them as you go through. Is y'all answering this? Let me see who answering. That may be how we go through here and pick the winner. So as we go through, you got to kind of just match them up. So a type of license that permits users to distribute derivatives of free open source software, false, as long as the derivative is under the copy left. Let's see, Linux kernel, free open source melodic, hash out the window, a permission scheme, so melodic kernel, Linux kernel, a structured query language, syntax, express. See, and this is easy, so you can kind of just read this and match them up. It ain't too hard. So a network adapter, a device interface for a collection of hosts, network adapter, program object. Let me see, y'all answer these. Let me see, Certmaster. I use Pi for monitoring my home lab using. Okay. Guy work using Pi for the same security plus facial recognition. Wow, that's interesting. It sold out because they released the specs and realized that the 4 has Pi. Yeah, the Raspberry Pi 4 actually has, what, 4 gigs of RAM. That's crazy. A Raspberry Pi has 4, like the max, I think it's 3 different versions. They got 1 gig, I believe 2 gigs, and 4 gigs. Man, that's nuts. For like $50. Like, there's no need to buy, like, your parents, you know, a personal computer, or your kids a personal computer. You just get a $50 Raspberry Pi and let them learn Linux. That's dope. Boom. Free software foundation. Software that responds to requests from programs. To promote free software. Software that responds. Yeah, this is weird. It ain't none of these. Software that responds to requests from other programs to provide some sort of that's weird. Okay. Get let me see. $50, that is a steal, especially when it comes to computers. Yeah, I mean, look, a 4 gig Raspberry Pi for $50. Like people in third world countries, you know, that don't have access to computers and can't afford like the most expensive phone. Like having a Raspberry Pi gives you so much ability for a low cost. It's crazy. Chevy Thriller. Hey, thanks, CompTIA. Yeah, it's crazy. Like what I would like to do is be able to go to like some inner cities and just with a truckload of Raspberry Pis and just hand them out to kids. You know what I mean? I think that'd be pretty dope just to get them acclimated with Raspberry Pis. But let's do this giveaway. So, let me think of something interesting. All right, so here's how we're going to do this giveaway. And we're going to make sure that we do it for those that's already in the Slack channel. So if you're already signed up for the Linux Huddle CompTIA Convo Slack channel, let me know in the chat. And I'm going to pick somebody in the chat that's already signed up. So if you're signed up, let me know that you're already signed up for the Linux Plus Huddle in CompTIA, the Slack channel. Since MM Daddy, MM Daddy, since he or she was first, I think it's Daddy, so he's probably first. You win the Raspberry Pi first. So hit me in the CompTIA Convo Slack channel, and then I'm gonna mail you this Raspberry Pi tomorrow. Thank everybody for winning. Thanks for everybody for tuning in. If you have not already signed up for the Slack channel, sign up. If you've been not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Hit this video with a like. I'm posting a video Wednesday for another chance for you to enter the contest. And I'm gonna drop some useful, helpful information in that video if you're preparing for your Linux Plus. So be on the lookout for that. Not just to enter the giveaway, but also for the knowledge and information that I'm gonna share. So I'm gonna see you all next Sunday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we're gonna do this again. Shout out to the winners today of the ebook, Mark J. Ewell, and everybody that entered last week. And then also to MN Daddy for winning the Raspberry Pi. Hit me up in the Slack channel. I thank you all for tuning in, and we'll catch you next week. Peace.